Sixth question, find the distance between the points. There are three sums given. I have taken the third one where you may need my help. Okay dear. So now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So what we will write always, generally we will write it what? Let R, that is minus 3a be what is we are going to take? X1, Y1. Okay, and S a comma minus 2a be X2, Y2. Okay, so now we know the formula. What is the formula? By distance formula. By distance formula, that is what? Distance of RS equals to root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. Right, my dear? Yes. Now we know x2 minus x1. That means a minus of minus 3a. Okay, so we need to change this bracket square. Y2 minus y1, that is minus 2a minus a the square. Right? So now what I'm going to do, this is a minus minus plus 3a the square plus minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 1 3 but minus 3a the square. I'm writing here. So 1, here nothing is there, 1a. 1a plus 3a is 4a the square plus here 3 3s are 9. 9a. Okay, I have to write it like this, 4a square, here 9a square. I repeat, minus into minus plus. So 3a into 3a is 9a square. Now here still 4a. 4a ka square is what? 16a square plus 9a square. So you get 25a square. And when I take the square root for this distance of 25 is 5 square root and a square is a. So you get the distance of RS is 5a. Seventh question, find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. When it is a circumcenter of a triangle, that means triangle is inside and the circle is surrounded on it. Whose vertices are minus 3, 1, 0, comma minus 2 and 1, 3. Here circumcenter of a triangle has usually we used to do a circumcircle na same manner here also. Okay, find the coordinates of the circumcenter. Any center of the circle ka we have to find out. Now for this I'll draw the figure. Okay dear. So I'm drawing a one circle here. This is a circumcircle, so that there will be a triangle inside it. So I'm drawing a triangle here. Right. So there are three vertices given. You can take minus 3 comma 1 and the other vertices is 0 comma minus 2 and the third vertices is 1 comma 3. We will name it P, this is Q and R. Okay, we need the points here. Now they asked to find the coordinates of the circumcenter. That means this center of a triangle. So this is the center of the circle or not? Yes. So if I join this, what is said to be? This is O. You understand it as a O. OQ na? OQ is the radius. And here OR. OR is also a radius. And OP is also a radius. So can I say the distance of OQ is equal to distance of OR is equals to OP? Yes, because they are the radii of the circle. So firstly we will write it. What is this? Let point P be the center of the circle. Sorry, not P, it's O. O be the center of the circle. Okay dear, center of the circle. Now we have written this. Yes. Now what do you understand by this? As it is a center of the circle, what is the relation between the point P, Q and R? This is equal. OP is equal to OQ equals to OR as it is the radii of the circle. Okay dear. Now can we find the distance between OP first? Yes. And then OQ, then OR. Like this, once we find out the distance, then we can say all the three answers we can say equal it. We will get an equation. Let's start with the first one here. Okay dear. Now can we name this point O here as a AB? इसका कोऑर्डिनेट को हम ए बी नेम करेंगे. एक्स वाई चाहिए तो भी एक्स वाई कर सकते. वाई आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडिंग एक्स वाई. वी जनरली गिव द कोऑर्डिनेट नेम्स x1 y1, so no need to confuse. We will give some other mn also, you can give it here. Okay, first we are going to do OP, distance of OP, we are going to find it. Okay, so for this, firstly I'll write the point O. Let point O is what here? It's given already. O is what here? No, sorry, point O we don't have, so we are considering as a AB, right? And P is how much? What is the P? It's 1, 3. So here we are considering, you can take it in your own way here. X1, Y1 I am considering, and this is X2, Y2. I hope this is clear till here. Yes, we are going to find the distance of OP. So I have separately written the O points and the point B here. Now I am going to use a distance formula. So by distance formula, okay, by distance formula, what we are going to write it, that is distance of OP, right? Distance of, we are going to find OP equals to root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square. So can I write the next one here? Yes, x2, which is x2, 1 minus a. It's up to you. You can put a or a 1, that is one and the same here. But here x2 minus 1. So I write it 1 minus a the square. Okay, see, I'll tell you a small hint. If so many have the habit of solving a first, so that time you put it this p as a p as a x1 y1 and a o as a x2 y2. It's up to your choice, dear. Y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus b the square. Okay, now what is, we are applying a which formula? A minus b the whole square formula. You remember a minus b the whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is 1 square is 1 minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into a, 2a plus b square. B is our a, so a square. Got it? Plus, similarly we are saying using the same formula, 3 square is 9 minus 2 into a into b. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into b, 6b plus b square here. Got it? Yes. Now what I'm going to do, we have a 1, we will add it with the numbers all, and first I'll put a square here. Let the a square here. Then minus 2a. Okay, minus 2a. Then, so this 9 plus 1, you will get 10. So what we got a distance of OP, we cannot do anything further. So we will keep it as it is, a square minus 2a minus 6b plus b square plus 10 here. Okay, let it be this one. Now we have found a OP, we will find a OQ, distance of OQ similarly. OQ, as I said, so what is the O coordinate? That is AB x2 y2 and a Q is minus 3 1 x1 y1. We can put it O or a Q first, depends on you. The answer will get the same. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a x2 minus x1. That means a minus of minus 3 the square plus y2 minus y1. That means what? B minus 1 the square. So I'm writing b minus 1 the square. Okay. So what you will get it? A plus 3 the square, a plus 3 the square plus b minus 1 the square. I am writing here. It will be easy for me to write. Okay. Now a plus 3 the square formula. See, now the variable has come first, so it is easy for you all to solve. A plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab we say na, 2 into 3 into 6, 6a plus 3 square is 9. Similarly here b square minus 2b, that is 2 into b into 1 plus 1. So now here what do you get here? You can see, if you observe, a square plus 6a plus minus 2b I am writing plus b square plus 9 plus 1 plus 10. So what is the distance of OQ you got? Yes, distance of OQ you got this. So we have said OP is equal to OQ. We said just before this. Yes, from the first statement. So I am going to write it, the distance of OP. So I copied OP, the distance of OP from the back. And now OQ I am writing here. Root of a square plus 6a minus 2b plus b square plus 10. So we can remove the square, we can squaring both the sides. By squaring both the sides, the root will be removed. squaring both the sides. Okay, both the sides. So the root is removed, so it remains a square minus 2a minus 6b plus b square plus 10 equal to a square plus 6a minus 2b plus b square plus 10. A square, this plus a square and minus plus a square will get cancelled because when it comes it becomes a minus. Similarly the b square also. Now this minus 2a, this 6a comes here, minus 6a minus 6b, here minus comes here, plus 2b equal to plus 10 and a minus 10. If plus 10 comes here, becomes a minus, and that also gets cancelled. We have a 0 here. So we have minus into minus plus. So minus 8a minus into plus minus 6 minus 2 4b, and 6 is the equal to 0. Okay, so we have minus 8a minus 4b equals to 0 right now. So we can simplify it. That means this both are divided by a 4 na. So we can say divide, okay, divide minus 4 throughout the equations to get it simplified. So minus 4 से करेंगे, minus minus भी cancel होकर all the minus gets cancelled. 4 2s are, you understood ना, यहाँ minus 4 है तो 4 2s are, then this minus also gets cancelled, minus minus plus become, and b equals to 0. So this is the one equation we got right now. Now what we have done, my dear, let's recollect it. See, what did we say? We said OP is equal to OQ, OQ equals to OR. So now we found out OP equals to OQ, right? Now we will find OQ equals to OR because we got only one equation. We need a one more equation. So we will now focus on this, but we have already found a OQ. Now we will find OR. Okay, dear. So we are going to find OR now. Distance of OR. For that, first again the point here O. I'll write it R first here, R, and then the O. Here AB, that is, what is this? X2, Y2. And what is the R point? Let's see from the back. R is 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2, that is x1, y1 written. Now we will use a distance formula. Distance of RO or OR whatever, root of x2 minus x1 the square plus y2 minus y1 the square, right? So we are going to write the formula here. x2 minus x1, that means a minus 0 the square plus y2 minus y1, that is b minus of minus 2 the square. Okay, so a minus 0 the square is a square plus this is b plus 2 the square, right? Minus minus become plus 2. So a square, then we can write the formula of b square plus 4b plus 2 square is 4. So I got this one as a what? Distance of RO. But we have said distance of OQ. Now we are going to write it what? OQ is equals to OR. इसका करेंगे. Okay, dear. So now OQ, what did we get the OQ? We have found out the OQ. Yes, we will write it here. A square plus 6a minus 2b plus b square plus 10. And what did we get OR? We have it in front of us. A square plus b square plus 4b plus 4. So what do we have to do right now? We have to take squaring both the sides to remove the square root. Squaring both the sides. So the roots are removed and we will have simply a square plus 6a minus 2b plus b square plus 10. Similarly, the other side, a square plus b square plus 4b plus 4. So what all gets cancelled here? A square and a square and the b square and b square. So we are left with a 6a. Is there any more is a? No. Minus 2b, but this plus 4b is here. So we will bring it here minus 4b, and this 4 is here, let it be, plus 10 goes there, becomes a minus 10. Okay, dear, this number is. So 6a minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 2, 6b, and the 4 is the biggest number. Similarly, 10 minus 4 is 6 and the 10 is the bigger number, minus 6. Now if you observe all the, here the coefficient has a 6 here and the constant. Can we divide 6 throughout the equation? Yes. I'm writing here divide 6 throughout the equations. Okay, so what I'll get, a minus b equal to minus 1 here. The minus will be left here. So this is our second equation. See my dear, we got the first equation and the second equation. Now using these two equations, we will solve simultaneously to find the value of a and b. Yes, now we have seen the two equations which I have written at the back. I have copied again here. So can we solve simultaneously? Here this was the first equation and this is the second equation. Now see, you have a addition and a subtraction. So we can add these two equations. So we are adding 1 and 2 here. So when I add 1 and 2, so this is a 1 here, nothing means 2 plus 1, 3a. And plus b and minus b, you get a 0 only, because 1 minus 1, 0. So I'm not writing anything, and minus 1 here. So I got 3a equals to minus 1. So now can I write a equal to minus 1 upon 3? It is in multiply form. When it comes this side, it becomes a division. So we got a as a minus 1 upon 3. Now still we need to find a b. We will take a simplest one. Can we take the second equation? Yeah. So substitute as a equal to minus 1 upon 3 in the second equation. Okay dear. So what is our second equation? A minus b equal to minus 1. So I am substituting a is what, my dear? Minus 1 upon 3 minus b equal to minus 1. So what I will do here, the b is in negative. So I will take it to the other side. That is, I am taking a b to the other side, and this minus 1 upon 3 is going to be, this 1 comes here, minus 1 come here, plus 1 and minus 1 upon 3. Check. Minus 1 upon 3, this remains this side only, so remains minus. So b goes to the other side, become plus, minus comes to this side, so become a negative, sorry, positive. So now can we solve this sum? Yes, nothing is there means we have to take a denominator same, into 3 into 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 1 upon 3 equals to b. That means if you subtract, you will get 2 upon 3. So therefore, b equals to 2 upon 3. Exactly what we were doing. We need to find this coordinates, Nadia. It's a 0, AB, that we need to find out. So now we have found out that the a is what, my dear? A is minus 1 upon 3, right? And a b is 2 upon 3. So we will finally present the answer. The question is asked, find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. So we will write it. Answer, coordinates, copying from the same from the question, coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle is, so we have to write it in the coordinate form. We have named it, what is the b as a got? Minus 1 upon 3. Yes. So we will write it here minus 1 upon 3 and a b as a 2 upon 3 here. See my dear, this sum comes for a 4 mark sum. So you have, this is very easy. We are again and again applying the distance formula. Once we understood the concept, it is very easy to just solve it here.